Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken in few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, so if you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the watch face and on it there should be the step counter. Not all of them have the step counter, but if you're missing the step counter on your watch face, you can always change it. So press and hold the little button, tap on watch face option, and here scroll through the list of watch faces. And if you have only one, you can tap on add new, then scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use. Let's say, for example, this one displays the step counter. We can then press the upper button to add it to the list. And now we can scroll through the list of watch faces, select the one you added, press the upper button, then press the apply. And the watch face will be applied, and here we have a step counter. Another way to check the step counter is to use the glances menu. So if you're on the home screen, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the glances, and here you can scroll down, tap on edit, then tap on add, look for the steps, then tap on it to add it, and then you can press the back button. And now on the list of glances you will have the step counter, and you can tap on it to see more detailed information like this. Okay, and the last way to check the amount of steps taken is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone, and there you will see more detailed info about the steps. So we can bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, and on the phone that is paired with our watch we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app you should see the home page, and on it, if you scroll down, there will be list of glances, and I don't see the steps, so I guess by default there is no steps, but we can tap on more, activities, and then tap on steps. And here we have the step count, or rather statistics, steps statistics, and we have daily, weekly, 4 weeks, and yearly, and you can check a lot of info here in the app if you use the phone application. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.